Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be talking about on what is Reddit Gold. So, to understand, Reddit has this system called award. I'm just going to mute that. There's this system called awards, right? Over here, as you can see, a gold award, and this is basically this is basically Reddit Gold, but some people do take Reddit Gold as Reddit coins. So make sure you know exactly what you're searching for. So these are medals. Reddit Gold is a separate type of medal which you need to buy using 100 coins. Well, not you need to buy using 500 coins, not 100. Sorry about that. And basically so on and so forth. You got silver. Silver is the cheapest, and the highest one is Trinian All Powerful, right? So in order to make sure you can get that gold for someone, you can't give yourself that gold. So you want to buy some coins, right? I'm not gonna waste my money, so I'm not gonna be showing you this, but you're gonna buy some coins, and once you buy coins, you can buy these gold awards and give it to people like this. You just go to a post, you press on award, and then you go next, and then you just want to buy it. I'm not gonna buy, so I'm not gonna show you on how to buy it. So yeah, that's about it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.